Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Reviews. Today I'm reviewing the Saunny, and the Saunny is essentially a blanket or sleeping bag, if you will. Not necessarily for sleeping, but it's a sauna in the form of a sleeping bag. And what I love about this product is that it gives you the ability to experience the sauna without the space in your home, and it's also an infrared sauna, so it gives you that infrared heat along with that sauna heat. And what's nice about it is it's very compact. You can fold this up and put it into a bag. It has this little remote here, which with this remote, it's got a power button, the temperature, and the time. The time, you can go up to 60 minutes per session, and the temp goes anywhere from 80 degrees all the way up to 176 degrees. And I did the 176 degrees last night, and let me tell you, it gets pretty hot, and I love that. It gives you a wide range. So what's nice about it also is it's this kind of thick material that when you lay in it, it's got this circular place right here for your neck and your head to lay out of it. And what's nice about that is that when you're in a sauna, your head can actually overheat. And this is problematic because when you sit in an actual sauna, your neck and your head are higher up and heat rises. So what's nice about this is your head is out of this. Your body is getting that stimulation for lymphatic drainage, for circulation, and detoxification. It's great for recovery from a workout at the gym or any physical exercise or anything like that. And it just is really obviously great for your skin health as well. There's so many benefits to a sauna and infrared heat and just sweating and moving your body, getting your heart rate up, things like that. So I really like this unit and this device because it gives you the sauna experience, once again, with less space. And you can actually just fold this up and put it in a travel bag. The remote is very simple and easy to use, and you can just lay it down and just relax in it and just sort of melt. It's very portable. The heat works very quickly. I started this 5 minutes ago and it went from 80 degrees to 138 degrees. So it's actually much faster at heating up than a traditional sauna. So as far as energy usage, it's less energy waste. It's cheaper to run. And because it's that sleeping bag, that heat is completely surrounding you. So you're kind of getting that even infrared sauna experience. The heat is, completely perfect surrounding your body. So it's really nice because you get the upsides of the sauna without the downsides of the sauna, which is really awesome. It doesn't take up nearly as much space. You can travel with it. And you can see it's already up to 140 degrees. In the first 6 minutes, it went from 80 degrees to 140. So it flies in terms of heating up quickly, and this session is great. You sweat in it. I do recommend putting, and I think it's in here, maybe it's not, a blanket, not a blanket, but a towel in here, because that allows your sweat to land on that towel as opposed to the unit itself. But the sauna is absolutely awesome. When you lay down in it, it's just super relaxing, detoxifying. You get a good sweat in. And it's great for recovery, detoxification, circulation, and so much more. So I'll put a link below to their website. And the other big benefit is a regular sauna is going to cost you $2, $3, $4 grand, sometimes more. This is I think it's like $600. So you get a much cheaper product that is more portable and more energy efficient over time. Oh, and another thing, it's low EMF as well. So it heats up and it's low EMF, so you're not getting exposed to a high amount of EMFs while you're in this thing. So it's just awesome. I love it. Check out Saunny. I'll put the link below. If you want to have a sauna that's portable, time efficient, energy efficient, and space efficient, Saunny is definitely worth getting. And especially in the colder months, the summer is coming to an end here shortly. Having something like this in the fall and winter and spring months, when we're more plugged up and we don't sweat as much because we're not in the sun and in the heat as much, something like this is definitely worth having. So check it out at Saunny. I'll put the website link below along with any discount codes or specials they have going on so you can get any deals from them. And I think you'll enjoy it a lot. Take care and have a great day. Bye. The other nice thing I forgot to add is that this remote is nice and handy beside you. And there's also a zipper on the right hand side. So if you want to have a little bit more airflow or just to open things up a bit, to not have that heat locked in, the Saunny makes it very easy because you could just unzip it halfway or all the way. And maybe have one leg out, maybe you just want to sauna one side of your body, or whatever it may be. So just getting in it and laying down, it's a very comfortable experience. The heat just sort of surrounds and encompasses you. I just put a little pillow here for my head, and you want to have a towel behind your back, so that when you sweat, you're sweating onto that. You can just pull that towel off and throw it into the wash. But it's, I mean, right now it's 140 degrees, and it's got 48 minutes left. So you just lay in here. It's great in your living room, your bedroom. You can put it on your bed. You can put it in your living room, really anywhere. So it's just a great experience. It's easy to get out of, easy to get into. It's lightweight. You know, you're not going to have any challenges, and you can put it on any surface. So once again, check out Saunny. I'll put the link below with any discounts they have, and I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Cheers.